Today's episode of The Buzz is brought to you by the letter E. E is for Europe. That's not good enough for me. People are still worried about the debt problems there. Big shocker. The calendar has switched to 2012, but obviously the European debt crisis not over yet. People now worried about Spain, conflicting reports as to whether or not that government will ask for bailout funds. Spanish bank stocks taking a big hit. You also have Spanish bond yields rising again. We've had some decent results of auctions, though, for other bonds in Europe, France, Germany, etc. So that could be encouraging, another E word, but still, again, everyone waiting for the ECB to finally step in and maybe give this concrete plan to buy up debt of troubled nations like Spain and Italy to really help get this problem solved in a much quicker fashion. E is also for economy and some encouraging, again, results from the job market. The ADP jobs number, which tracks private payrolls, 325,000 jobs added according to ADP in the month of December. Now, you do have to take this number with about a quadrillion grains of salt. ADP is not the most reliable indicator or predictor for the government's jobs report, which will be coming out on Friday morning. And at the end of the day, that's the one that we really need to care about. There have been many head fakes in the past where ADP number is surprisingly strong, and then the government jobs number is not. And the government jobs number is obviously a lot more broad, and that's the one that you have to really pay attention to. So don't get too excited about ADP just yet. Finally, E is also for earnings. The season, if you will, kicks off unofficially on Monday with results from Alcoa, the Dow component. That's kind of like what the Iowa caucuses are to the election cycle. Sorry for all you aluminum fans out there, but Alcoa really matters because it's first. Alcoa, I think investors are expecting a pretty strong report. The stock is up 9% in just the past 2 days, the first two trading days of 2012. Whether or not that's just, traders trying to make weird bets going into earnings and then they're going to sell after the results, that still remains to be seen. But I think you have to be somewhat enthused, another E word, by the fact that people do think Alcoa could report decent results after the bell Monday. Hopefully that will be the case. If not, this could be a tough earnings period for many companies, especially the banks, and we'll find out more about that in the weeks ahead.